Achieving a fairer complexion is a goal for many, and incorporating certain fruits into your diet may help improve skin tone and texture. Here are 7 fruits often associated with skin whitening. Oranges, rich in vitamin C, oranges support collagen production and promote skin radiance. Papaya, with vitamin A and C, papaya enhances skin texture and complexion. Strawberries, antioxidants in strawberries protect the skin from damage and promote a healthy glow. Kiwi, vitamin C in kiwi contributes to a more radiant complexion. Pomegranate, loaded with skin-protective antioxidants. Grapes contain resveratrol, which supports skin health. Watermelon, hydrating and rich in vitamins A and C, watermelon improves skin vitality.